Welcome back, Daily Fam. Back to another episode of Pokéday TCG. How many C22 tins will get opened up today? Kind of switched it up a little bit. Last video I said special illustration rares. Well, we got Sword and Shield, Silver Tempest, and Lost Origin. Those have trainer galleries. Make it a little bit easier. And then 3 bonus packs of Scarlet&Violet base set. But we're gonna see if we can get those C22 tins open up, hiding Evolving Skies and Fusion Strikes. See how many we get. Count those as the hits, and especially alternate in any of those. But as we get started, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe and hit that like. Leave a comment down below during the video with your notification bells on, and we're gonna get this one started off nice and easy here. Starting off with the 4-pack battle of Lost Origin versus Silver Tempest. Hope y'all are having a good day. Have a great week. And let's see what we get out of here. See if we get anything nice. There we go. Go to the front here. See what we can get. Camera looks a little foggy, but that's okay. We'll make it work. Right here. Into alright. First pack of Silver Tempest. See if we can clear that off a little bit on the camera. Maybe refocus a little bit. There we go. Make it a little bit better. Kind of smudge there. There we go. To the front here. And go over that. Swan blue. Oh, got a nice full art Judge. Going into a God of War. Got a nice Judge there. You know how I feel about the full art trainers though. Sometimes they warrant opening the pack, but we'll see how it goes here. Alright. Wouldn't it be awesome to pull an awesome art Giratina from one of these packs or Aerodactyl? That would be crazy. The reverse into Sun Gudra V. Alright, I guess hit there. That's not gonna do it though. Alright, there you are. 4 to the front here. Alright. Jinx. Bolts. Ooh, nice rated Alakazam. Going to a non-hollow. I'll take the Alakazam. Most definitely. Alright. A good close one, it looks like. Silver Tempest is winning so far, but got a nice code card from Lost Origin. Alright, right there. Nice cardboard. Alright. Zora. Reverse. Oh, Zora. Yeah. Might be one of the training galleries that opens up too. It's looking really nice here. Let's see here. Hold on 1 second. Something got on my hand here real fast. Got to. It kind of hurts. Here's a little paper cut. Alright. Back to action here. Excellent. Picking up 2 at a time. Alright. Yeah. Alright. There you go. Alright. V-Star. Meditating. Girl. Eating. Fungus. Sandy gas. Ooh. That is gonna. Double banger there. Alternate Coronite V Max. Beautiful. So Superior V. Very nice. Definitely gonna do something. Alright. There we go. So Tempest. Alright. There we go. This is becoming a nice open. We are for sure opening some 10. There you go. There. To the front there. Alright. Extra type energy. Iscan. Seal. Oh my goodness. Beautiful Pikachu training gallery. It is why we do this. Looks like some 10s are gonna be opening up today. That is what I like to see with this pack battle. Man, that Pikachu. Whew. Y'all gonna have to let me know down below who y'all think won this one. It is gonna be too close to call, but let's see this last silver. Just can put it out of the water. They have some beautiful training gallery cards. Alright, let's see. Boom. 3, 4. Alright. Let's see it. Regard energy. No. 0. Hint. Superior. Bonita. Another Radiant Alakazam. 1 and 2. 2 Alakazams. Not bad. Not bad. Definitely will take it. Alright. So, from Lost Origin, we did get a beautiful Pikachu training gallery card, Zora, and a Hassan Hydra V. And then we got into Lost Origin. Pulled some pretty good things. Y'all gonna have to let me know in the comments. Get down there. Got a alternate Coronite V Max, a Judge, full art trainer, 2 Radiant Alakazams, and Short V. It's gonna be close. That Pikachu is really nice. With the pulling the alternate V Max, I'm gonna have to go with Silver Tempest, me myself. Pikachu held it down though. But we have 3 more bonus packs. Scarlet&Violet going for that Mariam. Looks like we're definitely gonna open up 2 for sure, 10s. One to the front, Scarlet&Violet. All right. Ralu, Magneton, Fortress, Reiki Helmet. Oh, got a Miraidon EX. Definitely would take that. Alright. Get into our Gyarados here. There you go. Alright, extra time energy. Show. Dash boom. Okay. going to just a hollow, beautiful rod. Okay. Then our last pack. Ride-on pack. There you go. To the front here. Alright, base energy. Full. Hypno. Fast. Gas rich. Honda. Crushing hammer into a power mount. Alright. Let me clear some of this bulk. We did get some hits, so we do get to open up some C22 10s. Alright. Put these to the side over here. Make sure y'all let me know who won that. Lost Origin. Silver Tempest. Alright. Put these to the side, and then we did get a bonus. Come on down. Very nice. Alright. So with warrants a pack of 10, that does, we're gonna skip over the trainers today. We're gonna save those. That does, I did last video too. Should we open up 4? Just finish out the 4 of the right side. Yeah, let's do it. All right, why not? Or should we kind of save some? Let's open up 2 for now. Save 2. Depending on how they go, might go 4 on that side. All right. Let's see here. All right. C22 10. Actually, see on there. Let's get this open. Using sealed since 2025 years now. As always, you get a coin. Alright, get those packs out of here. We'll start with the first 10. Fusion Strike, Gengar, Espeon, Mew. What we're looking for, but first we're looking for black for the code cards. Not gonna be one there. That's fine. Alright. Trick. You have to go through them though. You never know what will happen in these packs, especially these first print runs. That is a beautiful reverse Arcanine there. Very cool looking Arcanine. It's in like a personal collection or so. Very nice. Alright. Alright. Evolving Skies. I think they're going for like 20 on the pack right now. Nice code card. We'll slow roll this one. Hopefully better than just a regular hollow. Alright. Water tank. Blue shake. Harry. On. Nirvana. Russ. Fletchling. Scraggy. Toast. Toad. It's just a Rello hollow Chiron. Alright, what we got? Another one here. Dragon Bolt. Alright. Let's get it out of there. These the same coin. I can't find it. Do it over there. Yeah, it looks like the same coin they put in all of them. Very nice. Another piece of the puzzle there at the little stadium. Alright. Let's see here. Let's get these 10s to the side here. Let's make a little room here. Alright. Fusion Strike. A lot of people ask. I have a lot of sealed products, but with everything that's going on, oh, nice. Everything that's going on with the Pokemon thing, just thought about giving back. I'd rather open this than any prismatic evolutions. I will eventually do some, but as far as saying right now, with however it's going, I do give back to support young kids, people trade, people that's hard to get stuff, and like I said, I've had some. Just get them back. Just get a full art. Okay, I'll take that. Definitely take the hit out of fusion. All right. Get back. So I'd rather do that than anything. I'd rather open up Evolving Skies than anything, even though it's harder to get at initially, but it's all right. Here we go. All right. Rubber gloves. Yes. Yo, got another nice Eevee. Yes. Turn toy catcher into a smuggle. All right. Think I'm gonna do the last two because I have a nice thing going on here. I'll open up one more. Save that Rapidash, glowing Rapidash one for another video if we get some more hits, because I definitely have more videos. So I would want it to be able to at least complete, them. All right, and see what we can get. Yep, it's the same. All right, get that open. So we'll end it. We'll open this last 10 here. This feels good. We want to get a hit from Evolving Skies if possible. Starting off with the fusion. Hopefully y'all are enjoying this. Hopefully you already hit that like. Hopefully you're subscribed. There we go. See if we can get something out of something here. Alright, let's first dancer. Eevee to the side for my Eevee collections, and then a non-hollow. Alright. Evolving Skies. I'm gonna see that black water code card. It's gonna be a white one, so we'll end this one. Looking at some pretty good card arts here. Alright. Rescue Carrier. Abby. Transwall Blue. See that. Now the Eevee goes into the personal collection and experiments with a pincer. Alright. So out of 3 10s, kinda to be expected. Only got one hit with those sets, but definitely have to take it. But if you like this video, just as I did, don't forget to go back and comment down below what you thought about that stuff. Hit that like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Until next time, peace. Data fam.